So today we're going to unbox and put together the Govee Floor Lamp Basic. This is a lamp you can put anywhere in your room and it'll actually give you a bunch of different types of variations of lights and colors to help brighten up your area. It's a definite vibe. So we're going to see how it works, we're going to see how it looks. Stay tuned. So I figured I'd show you how we built this. It didn't really take too long. Probably like 15 minutes. I got it all set up and ready to go. So in the box, you'll notice that the whole thing is actually made by these different poles that you connect together. So here I'm going to show you the poles in just a little bit, and then there's these little connectors that connect each pole together. It actually comes with a screwdriver already, which is nice, and it's actually a really good one because it has like a magnetic tip so you don't lose the screws, which came in very handy when I was doing this. Here's the base. As you can see, that little connector there, if you saw that just kind of like peeking out, that connects to that, and that's the controller, but that little piece actually connects to the light strip that you'll install later on. So here I am just kind of taking everything out of the box here. You saw the controller just now, and here I believe I'm going to show you. Let's see what this is. This is the, I believe, this is the other piece. No, I think this is the. These are the screws and the screwdriver, which are top quality, and those are the connectors that I mentioned earlier. That's what goes in between each of the poles. And then here, I'm actually just going to show you how the first one goes in. It kind of just slides through. It's definitely kind of easy to do it, and then you're screwing in each screw at every pole. So you're going to do this probably like 2 or 3 times, 3 times I believe, and then two screws per connector, so a total 4 for the entire connector between one pole to the other. And here's how it looks after it's all fully assembled. Obviously, when you hook this up to your Govee app, you're going to have a plethora of different scenes that you can choose from. You could also have it do like a set color, but I do love scrolling through all the different scenes there. They got ones that mimic water, there's like a meteor one, a forest one, and there's even ones just kind of give you like an ambient light that's like kind of good for like reading and all that. So it's a lot of fun to have, and you can really spruce up any kind of area quickly and easy with this Govee lamp basic. So hope you enjoy yours. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hope you enjoy your product. I'm Juan from the Parrot Game, and I'll see you in the next one.